Okay, so we're in Walmart, right?
Yeah.
And what are you looking for?
Wait for that.
Oh, you're looking for a motorcycle.
Here. I had the green one. No. No, Nana. No.
Come here, Jakey. Nana's got a present for you.
No.
We got a runner. Jake. Jacob, come here and I'll put it down. Come here.
Nana, it's gone?
Give me a kiss.
No.
Here, hold it and put it down, and then I'll leave it alone.
No.
It's not going to hurt you.
Where?
Just put it down. Put it on the shelf.
No. No, like it.
You're too cute. There. Give me a kiss now. I love you, sir.
Nana, come on.
Okay.